What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, man. I felt like I should just hold the phone in my hand and do this quick video. This is probably going to be one of my fastest videos that I ever record. I wanted to shoot a quick video on the Vivo Nex S. Some of you guys have been seeing the price of $871. The price is up there, but I got a coupon for you down below in the description of this video. Gets you over $200 off. The phone is $619 with my coupon, so hit that link down below. Put my coupon in there. You'll get the phone for $619. Be sure to use express shipping because that way, you know, you'll get it really fast, and use DHL express shipping. There might be two options there, so make sure you choose the DHL express shipping for the Hong Kong one, I believe. I think that's the one that's 3 to 8 days. But anytime I use DHL with GearBest, I get the phone, once it ships, I get the phone in about a day or so. Coming from Hong Kong, man, at least to my location. The longest I've waited was 2 days. So a lot of questions about the phone. Does it work with LTE in the US? Does it work with Cricket? Does it work with T-Mobile? Yes, 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 yes. It works with Metro, Cricket, T-Mobile, any of the GSM providers. When you click on that link to buy the phone, make sure you look at all the bands that's listed there. I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 17, 40, 43. It's a whole bunch of bands listed there. I'm using it on T-Mobile. I'm getting full LTE, up to 70 megabits down is what I'm getting right now. And it's going to work on Cricket and all of those GSM providers. So I wanted to throw up a quick video and let you guys know, because I've been getting a lot of questions. People have been saying, you know, does it work on T-Mobile LTE? T-Mobile is a big one over here in the US. So if you know me, I use T-Mobile for my main carrier. So I have Project Fi as well, but T-Mobile is my main carrier, and that is where this phone has been used since day one. LTE is blazing fast. Check out my other videos on this phone. But for now, man, you have until September 30th before that code expires. So you can grab it for over $200 off. $619 for this phone is a killer deal. Snapdragon 845, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs onboard storage, the little pop-up camera, in-screen fingerprint reader, 6.6-inch 1080p AMOLED display. That's a whole bunch, man. Type-C. It's got a really loud speaker on it. I'll demo that in another video. But this phone is fully loaded up with gestures. I mean, and just look at this front camera. Yeah, it's banging hard, man. It's really good. So I'm going to cut the video, man. I just want to do a quick video, let you guys know that this phone is going on sale. It's on sale right now. And it's $619. See my coupon down below. Hit the link down below. It'll take you to it. Now, just remember, it's going to say $871. When you put my coupon in there, though, it's going to drop it down to $619. You have until September 30th. I've never really pushed a phone this hard, but this phone is hard. This thing is nice, man. Don't let the videos that you see out there from some people tell you it's bad. 8 gigs of RAM, 845 Snapdragon. Come on. And you see my videos. You know I keep it 100 with you. I'm gonna tell you the truth. So it's your man Jay, the Vivo Nex S. Hit the link down below if you've really been interested in this phone. A lot of people have been hitting me up, so I was like, I'm just gonna make a quick video, reiterating the specs and everything. And now I got this coupon, so I gotta hurry up and share it with you because it ends very quickly. September 30th is right around the corner. So get your order in, you get a good price. It's your man Jay. I'm out.